Hi everyone, my name is Philip Ekberg, and welcome to my C# Design Patterns course covering the factory and abstract factory. I am a principal consultant and CEO at a consultant agency operating out of Gothenburg in Sweden. I started this company a few years ago and focus on building fast, powerful, and easy-to-maintain solutions. This course is for those of you that want to learn how the factory patterns work and how to implement that in your C# applications. We will cover everything you need to know to master the different variations of the factory patterns. This includes learning about simple factory, factory method pattern, as well as abstract factory pattern, how to identify the characteristics of these flavors, understanding the benefits and trade-offs when using these patterns, as well as how to implement them in new and existing solutions. By the end of this course, you will feel comfortable with implementing the simple factory, factory method pattern, and the abstract factory pattern in your applications. This will allow you to build extensible, more maintainable, and testable applications. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the C# syntax and how to build and run .NET applications. No other prior knowledge is necessary. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn all about working with this very powerful C# design pattern with the factory and abstract factory course here at Pluralsight.